Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Today's video is my BoxyCharm unboxing. I am so excited to be doing this. My box actually came kind of late this month, I think due to like the weather and all that. Usually I get it on the 13th, so I'm sorry this is coming out kind of late. I'm actually unboxing it for the first time. I didn't even look inside the box, but I'm not gonna lie, I did get those sneak peeks or whatever on Twitter. I'm so excited because it's the first box to come out of 2018. This month's box is Boxy Rock 2018. So I'm excited about what we got in here. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. All this stuff is super cold because it's snowing outside. The first thing I see in the box is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. I was really excited to get this. I was actually going to purchase a new luminizing primer, but when I noticed that we were getting this in the box, I decided to hold off and see what I thought of this one. We actually got another Dr. Brandt product before in the box. It was the facial scrub, like a exfoliating face wash, and I really loved that product, so I'm excited to try this. It comes in just like this little tube. I thought that there was going to be a pump for some reason. I don't know why. So many companies are coming out with the tube with the pump in it. I have super dry skin, and during this winter it's been so much worse. Like, my skin does not like the cold, you guys, like at all. It does have like a little scent, but nothing strong. I can't even tell what it really smells like, honestly. On the back of these cards, if you guys don't already know, it has descriptions of all the products and what they're supposed to do. So the Pores No More primer is actually, it retails for $38, and it delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. I do feel like it's giving me a nice glow, and I don't really notice like it accentuating my pores at all, but I don't really have an issue with pores, so I'll have to keep testing it out, but so far so good. I really like this. It's very moisturizing and like soft. My face feels great, so I feel like my makeup is gonna apply really well on top of this. So I'm gonna go off camera for a minute and apply my foundation, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have my foundation and my concealer on. The next thing in the box is this Pur Bronze and Brighten palette. It says it retails for $34. It says On the Glow Highlight Bronzer and Blush Palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. So this is what the palette looks like, and it looks really pretty. Everything looks extremely shimmery. It actually has the names of everyone on the back. So like the Blushing Glow is obviously the blush. This is Afterglow, and then this is Mineral Glow. I think this is really nice to travel with. The packaging seems really thick and sturdy, so if you want to throw it in your bag, you know, your product shouldn't be damaged, so I really like that. I'm really nervous about the bronzer, I'm not gonna lie, because that's a pretty dark shade on my fair skin, and I don't typically like bronzers or contouring with things that like have shimmer in it, but we'll give it a try. I'm just gonna try to go in with like a really light hand here. So honestly, that's not too bad. I don't think it's that dark on my face or anything. I probably could have even gone in a little bit stronger on it, but I feel like I would prefer to use like a stippling brush or a bigger fluffy brush with it instead of my normal brush that I use to contour. So now I'm going to dip into this blush right here. I feel like a little goes a long way with this, so you don't have to, you know, put a lot of product on. I mean, I do like the glow. I feel like this whole palette would be so amazing for summer because we all like to look so glowy during the summer. So now I'm going to go in right here with the highlight. That's probably the thing I was most excited about because you guys know I love a good highlighter. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that highlight. My skin looks so glowing today. I love it. Yeah, this is going to be a new favorite. And I just love this packaging. I think it's perfect. I love a good solid packaging where I don't have to worry about it. And I love that I have all 3 shades that I really like, and I can just bring it with me on the go. I don't have to carry a bunch of makeup with me. This is just so convenient. So next I'm going to go in with the brow product. It's an IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil in Universal Taupe. I always love getting eyebrow products as long as it's a color match for me. Not all universal taupes work for me. They tend to be either too dark or too much of like a warm tone, especially when I've got like the blonde going through my hair, which totally needs to be touched up. But yeah, sometimes it can be a little too warm, but it's just like any other brow pencil really. It's got the spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other. I think this brow product is really great. I don't think the color's that bad on me. I just need to use like a light hand. It'll look a little bit more natural when I get the rest of my eye makeup done, because it always looks kind of weird on me when I just have my eyebrows done. So the next thing in the box is the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. This retails for $25. The packaging is so cool. It's got a guitar as like a mirror, and the mirror is actually really nice. It also has like a guitar on the back of it. These shades look really pretty. They're all like shimmer shades except for the black one, so I can't do a full eye look with just this palette, and that's probably the only downfall, but the shades are really nice, so we'll just see how they wear. I'm actually just going to take another palette we got in one of our old BoxyCharms and use that today for the matte shades for the crease. And I'm going to go in with the Winky Lux Kitten palette. If you guys want to see my other videos that I've done using these shades, then I'll leave a card up top for you guys to click on so you guys can go watch my other BoxyCharms. I'm going to go in with this cream shade Duchess right here and just put that all over my lid. That's the thing that I didn't like about that palette, was that there wasn't a mirror, so I really like that in this one we do have a mirror. I always want a mirror with all of my, like, you know, small palettes. Pretty much every palette, because it just makes it so much easier, especially if you're like on the go and trying to pack for that. Next I'm going to go in with the shade Strut right here, and I'm going to put that all in the crease. Okay, so honestly I have no idea what I'm doing with this look, but I figure I might go in with Pop Rock right here up in the top corner. I don't know why, like I swatched a couple on my hand and I just like, I don't know, I'm drawn to like this green kind of gold shimmer. I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. I just always feel like using your finger kind of works best. I kind of feel like mixing heavy metal in there a little bit too, that blue. I know this is like a crazy look and totally not something I usually do, but I feel like they just look nice together. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown to the outer corners. So honestly guys, I really love this palette. I know there's like no matte shades, so you can't do a full-on look, but I'm really happy with the look I created with it. I really love these colors. I think they're really pigmented and they blend really nicely, and I think the colors kind of complement each other, so I really am happy with everything we've gotten in the box so far. So the last thing in the box is the Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. I was really excited to get this in our box because I've never tried that brand before and I've heard a lot of great things about them. It retails for $23. The lip probably isn't going to go too well with the look I came up with today, but what are you going to do? So I'm just going to apply this and then give you guys my final thoughts on everything. I actually really like this lipstick too. I feel like it's a really nice, comfortable matte formula. I don't feel like it's overly drying. It smells like cupcakes. Like, it smelled really good when I was applying it, and I feel like this color is really pretty. So yeah guys, that's it for all of the products in this box. I feel like BoxyCharm started off 2018 right. I'm telling you, I love all of these products. I think they're amazing. I feel like if I had to pick my favorite, probably say the Luminizing Primer and the Highlight Palette. I mean, I really liked all the shades in here. I feel like it all kind of blended in really well with my skin. I feel nice and glowy, and I just love looking that way, and I love that highlight. I mean, this is gorgeous. But yeah, even the palette, I love the eye look that I came up with. I feel like all the colors in here were really pigmented and blendable and creamy, so I love that. This box came up to like $144, which is crazy because I only spent $20 on it. If you guys would like to subscribe to BoxyCharm as well, I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go check it out for yourselves. So yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.